Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11 from European distribution, and today we are going to check if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protector. So just take a look on the screen, and as you can see right here on the edges, we can spot very thin foil. The same right here, there is the cutout from the camera. So it comes from edge to the edge, it covers even the edges, the curves on the edges. So yeah, here you can spot it, but of course if you want to protect more your display, I can recommend you to get something like the tempered glass. It's very cheap and it will protect better from the scratches and sometimes from the breaks even. So yeah, that's how it looks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.